What's going on, guys? Ricky here with GSMarina.com, and today we're taking a first look at the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition. So we're going to take a look at what's inside the box, and we're going to show you a few of its key features. So without further ado, let's get started. The McLaren Edition is the latest offering from OnePlus, which comes in a speed orange paint job, inspired by the papaya orange color of the McLaren Formula One car. The box looks really sleek and feels premium. I particularly enjoy when phone makers put this much thought and attention into the packaging of a product. The box has a carbon fiber texture on it, and the lid is held by magnets. Let's open it up and look inside. The first thing you'll see is a book with McLaren's core history and philosophies. I was flipping through the pages and didn't expect to see the phone in the last page of this book. Listen to my reaction as I realized that the phone was actually packed in the book. That's very not. Whoa, that is really thick. Oh, that's. Whoa! Whoa! I was not expecting the phone to be in this booklet. Oh my gosh. That is. Ooh, I almost dropped it from how excited I was. Alright, now moving on to the unboxing. This is the new Warp Charge 30 power adapter, which comes with an orange USB-C cable with a braided cord. Under that is an orange headphone USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. The box includes a sturdy case with a nice carbon fiber styling on it, and branded with the McLaren name. Under the case is a letter from Pete Lau and a plaque with McLaren's speed mark made out of carbon fiber, which is a really nice touch. And lastly, you can find the document pack, which has a SIM tool and a papaya orange quick start guide. Now that we've unboxed the OnePlus 6T, let's check out a couple of its unique features. The McLaren Edition 6T has a sleek paint job inspired by the brand's iconic papaya orange color, which OnePlus calls Speed Orange. It has a carbon fiber design behind the glass that's subtle yet beautiful. The orange accent starts at the bottom and fades into black. When the light hits it just right, this is one cool looking phone. Warp Charge 30 is OnePlus's successor to Dash Charge, and it debuts here on the 6T McLaren Edition. The charging block is bigger, but I'm really interested to see how much of a difference it has over Dash Charge. In the spirit of the papaya orange color of the McLaren, the charging cable is the same bright color and is wrapped in a premium feel braided cord. The McLaren Edition 6T has the same Snapdragon 845 CPU, but it has 10 GB of RAM, the most of any smartphone in the world right now. It does make me wonder what kind of performance difference we'll see over the regular 6T, but we'll save that for the review. The McLaren Edition OnePlus 6T will be available in Europe, North America, and India on December 13th, starting at $700 US. So please let us know what you guys think of the Speed Orange OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition, and leave your comments down below. And don't forget to check us out over at GSMarina.com for more specs, news, and reviews. My name is Ricky, signing off for GSM Marina. Thank you for watching.